Today, we're here with Kira Kendal, the author of the book Organizing Your Home. And I'm really excited to be having this conversation today because we're going to learn how you go from clutter and back. So please help me welcome Kira Kendal. How are you
Thank
today?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm very good. So now that you've written a book, how has your life changed in terms of being aware of the things that you bring into your house?
Oh, I don't buy nearly as many items or junk as I used to. If I travel, I don't have to bring everything home from the trip, so I don't have to have that kind of stuff.
So when you go shopping, what is different? Do you use a shopping list or do you know exactly what you're going to buy before you buy it? Or do you just not impulse buy? What is your process?
I do not impulse buy very often, and if I do, it's something that I've forgotten I really and truly wanted and
Mhm.
need. So when I do grocery shopping, I make a list, I order online, so it's all there. I don't pick things off the shelves and just a lot of things like that help. My kitchen's not so cluttered and my food stores are not humongous anymore. They're just what I need.
And so do you have any rules about stuff that is not allowed to come into the house? Like I have a rule and
Mm,
my rule is a 5-minute rule. If I need something, and this is goes into impulse buy. If I walk past something in a store and I'm like, "Oh, I gotta have that." I have to stop and ask myself, "Did you need that item 5 minutes ago?" And the answer is usually like, "No, I didn't."
so I don't need it now.
Can you live another 5 minutes without it? And oftentimes I'm caught up in the moment. I'm like, "No, I gotta have it right now." Well,
I do ask those kind of questions
if I
and it
didn't need it
helps,
5 minutes ago, chances are you can probably live with it forever without it. Walk away. And I
right?
make myself walk away. So I ask myself the 5-minute rule.
I've
And I'm
cut down
really
to one purse. I don't
nice.
have to change things out all the time. Yeah, that was a great move because I had like 20. So every time you change clothes, you got to change a purse and you got to move everything. I don't do that anymore. So I'm saving time
I
all
love
in one
that.
purse. And it's a purse that'll go with anything I wear.
And
Yeah,
so
I
tell me
like
about
that
that.
too.
Tell me about that. You consolidated the wardrobe by getting rid of all the purses and just choosing one. What color?
Purses and shoes. It's black.
It's
I
black?
can carry it with everything. I can carry it with flip flops. I can carry it with, well, I can't wear heels, but I can carry it with dress shoes or whatever. It's black and it goes with anything.
And so how about your shoes? You threw shoes in there. Do you just have black shoes?
Oh, I had like 10 pairs of tennis shoes. So now I just have two.
Okay, so you got
And
comfortable
one is
shoes
a
that will go with the
walking
black
shoe, and
purse.
one is some nice tennis shoes I could wear to my grandson's baseball game or, yeah,
I love that.
yeah, me too. It's
So
made life so less complicated because you don't have to stop and think, what purse do I want to carry?
uh-huh.
What
And
am
so
I
is it
wearing?
is it just the purse or have you consolidated in other areas as well?
Oh, bathrooms, definitely. I had boxes of shampoo, conditioner, and soaps. And of course, I traveled when I worked, and I have had all these tiny soaps and shampoos and things in a basket gone.
That is so tempting. You go into a
Yes.
hotel and they've got like a
And
little
if
shampoo and a conditioner and it's free, it's right there, it's included in your stay, and
I
you're
can
like,
take
"Well,
it
that
home
was
and give it to the grandkids, or I
that was nice
you know,
soap, let me take that
yeah,
home," and then we end up
it
taking it home and
smells
not
so
using
good.
it.
I know when it sits in the basket. But
So
yeah, I quit doing that. And of course, the hotels have helped a lot because now they put the big bottles with the push thing on them in the
uh-huh.
shower so you don't take them with,
Oh, that's so nice.
but I got rid of the ones I had.
Well, and for me, I traveled a lot as well because I would run around the country and I would train cleaning companies in different places
Mm,
around the country. And so every time they would put me up in a hotel and there would be all these little goodies that were there. And I started saying to myself, I don't use this brand at home. So if I take this home, I'm not going to use it at home because I have a different brand that I prefer when I'm at home. And
yeah,
so don't take them if you're not
just
going to
because
use
they're
them.
there. Yeah,
Right. And so
I
I
agree.
remember on a recent trip, I made a really tough decision because I had torn my fingernail and they had this little free fingernail file that was part of the little goodies. There's like a shower cap and some shampoo and a fingernail
Yeah.
file. And I looked at the fingernail file. I was like, that's exactly what I need. And I can keep this one. And then I was like, do I need it? And I was like, yes, I do. So I was like, okay, I'm going to leave everything else, but I'm going to take the fingernail file because I actually need this one. So I did. I used it and I was so grateful that it was there. And then I left everything else. When I came back the next day, because like you leave for the day and they come and they tidy up your
Mhm.
room, there's like another set
And
of
they give you
everything,
another one. Yeah.
plus all the ones from yesterday. And
But
I was
see,
like,
I fooled myself by saying, "Oh, I'll take it home and give it to the grandkids," but I
uh,
never did.
yeah. So for
So
me,
it's
then I was
bad.
like, whoa, I got 2 days worth of stuff here and I didn't need the first day. So then I just left it all there and I just kept
I don't
scooting it
need
over into
any
the
of it.
corner.
Yeah.
Y'all can just pick it up when you're done because I don't need all of these. I don't need all of yesterday's. I don't need all of today's. You guys, thanks so much for being here today. This was the highlight of my day. I've really enjoyed you guys. And thank you so much, Kira Kendall, for joining us. This
Thank
was
you for
nice.
having me. I've truly enjoyed the whole time.
Awesome. Thanks again.